Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings right now, tap the gear icon or pull down twice and choose Settings. Once done, make sure you're signed into the Google account used on the device because several tracking controls live there. Next, go to Privacy or Google in Settings, depending on your Android version, and locate Ads and Activity Controls. You're initiating the process to stop apps and Google services from collecting device identifiers and activity, so stay with these steps. You now target the main tracking sources. First, open Location and switch it off globally or per app. Then visit Google right arrow, manage your data and personalization, and pause location, history, and web and app activity. After that, go to Ads and reset your advertising ID, then toggle opt out of ads personalization. Also, go to Apps, pick high-risk apps, and revoke location, camera, and microphone permissions to stop continuous background data collection. Finish by auditing permissions with Permission Manager or Privacy Dashboard, and lock down any app still allowed to access sensitive sensors. Once done, apply background restrictions or battery optimizations to stop apps from running invisibly. If you still see tracking, clear app caches, update Android and apps, and then recheck settings. As a last resort, perform a factory reset after backing up data. If problems persist, contact your device maker, because some carriers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.